Children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. Many of you are following the sessions and replying accordingly. I request all of you to follow all sessions and complete the work and learn them. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to clarify them. This is the last session of the first chapter. Today we are going to see corrosion and rancidity. What is corrosion? Corrosion means metal when attacked by oxygen, water, acids, gases, etc. present in the atmosphere changes its surface. Now let us take an example for it. Fe ion plus oxygen, it will produce Fe2O3. Now let's balance it. Make a tabular column. Element LHS, RHS. Element here we have ion and another reactant oxygen. So Fe ion, in the left hand side we have only one atom and right hand side we have two atom. And oxygen, the reactant, left hand side we have two atom and the left hand side we have three atom. So we have to balance it. 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. So here we have to write 2. Then oxygen, left hand side 2 atoms are there, right hand side 3 atoms are there. Now we have to balance it. 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 2, 6. So oxygen's 6 left hand side and right hand side we got 6 atoms. So we have to write 2 into 2, 4. 4 ions are there. So we write 4. 4. 3 2s are 6. So balanced equation 4 Fe plus 3O2 gives to 2 Fe2O3. This is the balanced equation. Here you can easily see that ion is reacting with the oxygen. That means addition of oxygen is taking place. That is what type of reaction? It is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So ion is reacting with oxygen to produce Fe2O3, as Fe2O3 is more stable than normal ion Fe. That is why the reaction or cuts if Fe2O3 is not stable, then there is no necessity for the ion to react with the oxygen. To produce Fe2O3, that means in this reaction you are getting a product which is more stable, the reactants. This is the example of corrosion. Corrosion is a natural process where that means the pure metal. This is the pure metal. Ion is the pure metal, is converting into oxide. Sometimes hydroxide, hydroxide and sulfide, that means it's another stable form. So refined metal is converting into oxide, hydroxide, sulfide by chemical reaction, sometimes electrochemical reaction, oxygen or sulfide or H2S, hydrogen sulfide, or this is the form of atmosphere, is responsible to react with the metal. This type of reaction is known as corrosion. And after that, what actually happened, though Fe2O3 is more stable than iron, but by the formation of Fe2O3 there is gradual distraction. Of this metal. That means the metal will not show its actual metallic property. When it will corrode means corrosion. When it will corrode, that means when the corrosion reaction is taking place here, after the production of these things, the metal will unable to show their actual metallic properties for characteristics. So this is the example of corrosion rusting of iron, because Fe2O3, it will be responsible to produce rust of iron. Rusting. What is mean by rusting? Rusting means iron when reacts with oxygen and moisture forms reddish brown substance called rust. Another example, black coating of silver coin. Students, if definitely may be or may not be, if you have very old silver coin, 1 rupee or 2 rupee coin, can definitely see that there is some blacky substance on the silver coin, that is known as black coating of silver coin. Actually, what a reaction taking place here? Ag, silver, plus hydrogen. Hydrogen is gas and Ag solid state. Ag silver metal, that is in solid state, will react with the hydrogen, which is responsible for this black coating. Ag2 sulfur plus hydrogen gas, which is responsible for this black coating hydrogen gas. Here to you see, definitely can see it. Before the reaction, Ag silver was pure metal. It can show its metallic property, but after getting reacted by H2S, hydrogen sulfide, it will provide Ag2S, silver sulfide, which actually coat a black precipitate on the silver coin. Now, corrosion, there is several types of prevent. First point, there is several types of coating is available. First point, painting. Second is important, galvanization. Galvanization is, this is hot deep galvanization. Zinc metal. Zinc coat is on the iron on the copper metal. Zinc coat is on the iron and copper metal. On a zinc layer is coated only because to prevent the direct interaction of the metal with the hydrogen sulfide and Fe ion and also carbon dioxide. The third point, cathodic reaction. This 3 point is important for the preventing the corrosion. Now let's see rancidity. Rancidity means oil and fats when get oxidized on exposure to air show change in smell and taste. Again, this is the types of oxidation process. Take suppose some food, that food, oil and fat, they are containing oil and fat. If some oil food and fat foods are kept over natural atmosphere, will get oxygen or water from the atmosphere will react with this oil to produce some substances or products by which this food will become unsafe, unhealthy for the consumption. Suppose you are having some food which is containing oil or fat, so by the process of oxidation from atmosphere, oxidation from atmosphere, it will come, this food will react with the oxygen to produce some oxides of this oil or fat, and that are acid that will be very much unsafe for us. Some bad odor or some bad smell will be there, that means unsafe for the consumption. Then oxygen is responsible for these things, then it will be known as oxidative rancidity. And water is responsible for this type of rancidity, it will be known as hydraulic rancidity. Today our corrosion and rancidity sessions over. Your homework, in your textbook, page number 16, question number, in your textbook, page number 16, question number from 14 to 20, you have to write and learn them also. And also page number 10, 2 questions are there, this also you have to write. And page number 13, 3 questions are there, this also you have to write. Totally activity questions total 5, and exercise questions total 7. This you have to write and learn them also. Thank you.